Hi there and welcome to the HT2 channel. This week we are going to cover some basics around what should be included in your disaster kits and where should you store them. So sit back, relax, and get ready for some tip time. Welcome back. I am Kelly and I will guide you through this week's video. In follow-up to the last 2 weeks' videos, we'll be talking about what to put in your kits and where to store them. Even if you purchased your kits, you still want to customize them to your individual needs. Firstly, we recommend that you start with your comfort item and build the remaining items around the thing or things you will want most after a disaster or interruption. Last week I mentioned that I had a box of red wine in my kit. Well, actually, I have more than one. One in my car kit, and then a couple of them are in my home kit. When contemplating your comfort item, think about what it is that's going to help you get back to normal or a near normal as quickly as possible. Once identified, place that in your kit. Is it a warm blanket, chocolate, picture of loved ones, or a box of wine like me? If you do follow me, please make sure to have extra water. We don't need you dehydrated. Speaking of your home kit, you should have 2 different types here. One that is a grab-and-go kit that is stored near an exit with at least 3 days of supplies and ready to roll out the door if an evacuation is necessary. The other kit would be a surplus of supplies to stretch out for 2 to 3 weeks. This larger kit can be stored in your pantry, basement, under your bed, basically anywhere you have space, as this kit is basically in place for times where there is a regional interruption and your home is intact and livable with limited to no resources available for purchase. Keep in mind that the toilet paper shortage we experienced early on in the pandemic will seem absolutely minor in comparison to a regional interruption caused by an earthquake that damages our infrastructure. You will want to make sure you have the necessary basics in your home prior to the incident, as there will likely be no access to resources such as water, food, electricity, and so on. So once you have put your comfort item in your kit, you will want to add the following items as well. Water. You want 1 gallon of water per person per day for 2 to 3 weeks. So for my family of 3, we would need 3 gallons of water per day. So we need 3 gallons of water times 21 days, or a grand total of 63 gallons of water. This water is survival water, and if you drink a lot of water like I do daily, you will want to add even more. The gallon of water is intended to cover a single person for cooking, cleaning, and drinking for each day. If you have pets in your home, you will want to add additional water as well. You will also need the following items: non-perishable food, hand-cranked AM/FM radio with NOAA weather alerts, emergency lighting such as light sticks or flashlights with batteries that are stored separately, gloves, ponchos, dust masks, first aid kits, emergency Mylar blankets, sturdy shoes, extra clothing, and for kids, place the next size up in your kits, tools, duct tape, garbage bags, can openers, baby wipes, feminine hygiene, personal hygiene items like toothpaste and toothbrushes, soap, shampoo. Cash is huge, as there will be no working ATMs likely. You should also include important documents, including a copy of your driver's license to prove where you live, and perhaps throw some old-fashioned maps in your kit too. We know this is a lot to take in. We get it, but it can be done over time. So what we would suggest is to do one thing within the next 48 hours to get better prepared, and you will be on your way to having your plans in place. Well, that wraps it up for this week. We hope you walked away with some useful information that you can use to build or improve your preparedness plans. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week, and good luck with your kits.